I should be out at Larry Fawn's Fest right now, but it was drizzling earlier, so I figured I'd come and mess with this car some. See if I can get the 70 Wildcat fired up before I pull this engine out, see if it's any good. So let me I don't know how I'm gonna do this because it ain't got no rod on here. Let me see. See, it sounds like it's hitting. Let's see if I can hold this open some kind of way. Then I just have to cut it back off right away. Alright, I don't know. Alright, I can tell the battery's gonna run down here. I just want this thing to fire up for a second. Get this fuel pump. Because I don't have this hooked up to the, this is not hooked up to the, this is not hooked up to the gas tank right now. I just got this hooked up in a little can sitting on the ground here because I'm not trying to run this car for any long period of time. So that filter looks good. So let me put this back in here. Tighten this back up. I'm gonna stick that, see if this fuel pump is even pumping. Alright, so I ain't getting nothing off the fuel pump. I ain't getting nothing off the fuel pump. I'm gonna hook this back up. I'm not gonna tighten it, but just enough to see if this, you know, if it starts pumping at all as the car fire up. I'm gonna get gas spraying everywhere right away, so. Alright, let me try this again. Huh. All the wires on there. All guess next is pulling the distributor cap and make sure this got a third wire that's running to it. Huh. I don't see a power wire running to this. I think this gotta have a wire hooked up on this distributor still. Alright. I don't see anything. Alright, so what I got going on here, guys, is that I'm noticing one of the wires is off of the distributor. So I want to check this. Alright, no power. Make sure this is grounded. Just using the test light here, guys. No power. Alright, so let me cut this ignition on. I just want to make sure that that's the power wire for my I'm gonna make sure that's the power wire for my distributor. Alright, so now that, see that light is let me come back some. I didn't know that the thing wasn't in there, but alright, see the test light? The test light is on with the ignition up, and when I cut the ignition off, I get nothing. So that tells me that this wire is the one that needs to go to my distributor here. Alright, so what I had to do was hook up a wire and run it to the battery side of this distributor cap. And then I used the test light to check this wire and make sure that was my power source for that used to be the coil, because the 70 would have had points and plugs and a coil on here. And points in a coil, I mean. So now that I got that on there, let me see if this thing will fire up now. Alright, so this thing ain't got no exhaust on it. Now that I hooked that wire up, let me see if this thing gonna fire up or not. Let me check it out. It fired up. It sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. I ain't got no thing on here to hold this open, but I do want it to open up some. Maybe that might work. Let me see. Man, that engine sounds good to me. Like I don't hear any knocking, but let me see. She won't stay running. All right, try it. Now cut it off when I tell you to, though. Tell me if you hear any knocking. All right. Sounds good, don't it? Sound like no knocking or nothing, do it?
Not really.
You got a big oil leak.